Good morning. Welcome to yet another roundup of the commodities complex at 8 a.m. on Wednesday, August 28, 2013. The market saw mayhem yesterday, both in the Indian bourses and in the international markets. Indian equities sank to fresh lows of around the 52.50 mark. This morning expected to further and lower and breach the 52.50 mark and test 5200. Strong support is expected to emerge at 5180 to 5200 where fresh buying could come in. The INR also sank yesterday to a fresh live low of 66.24. Remains weak further. The markets are apprehensive that it could further weaken to test 67.68 in the days to come. Strong support is now seen at 65 to 62.80 mark. Volumes are expected to be lower today on account of Janmashtami holidays all over India. On the MCX exchange, all commodities shot up yesterday on account of the weak INR. We now give you an individual wrap-up of the commodities complex. Gold is now trading at $14.17 to $14.18, hit a high of $14.20 yesterday. Resistances are seen at the $14.22 to $14.28 mark. Next positional upside on a break and close above $14.35 to $14.40. On the downside, strong supports are seen at $1400 to $13.90. Strongly feel that there could be selling during the last 2 days of this week after testing the resistances, and hence traders are advised to carry forward less positions during the course of trades during this week. On the MCX exchange, trading at around the 33,650 mark, resistances are at 33,800 to 34,000. Support is at 33,400 to 250. Buy on dips is still recommended at this level to test the resistances where selling could come during the later half of this week. Silver is now trading at 24.6 after hitting a high of 24.7. Trades at resistances are seen at $24.8 to $25 where some selling could come intra-week during the second half on Thursdays and Fridays. Support is seen at $24 to $23.70. On the MCX exchange, trading at around the 5700 mark, expected to open higher and test the 57,300 to 57,500. A target of 58,000 on weakening INR cannot also be ruled out. Current support is seen at 56,400. Crude oil hit a 18-month high on the international exchange and closed above the $109 level, which was a key pivot. Trading now much higher at $110.3. A gap up open in MCX expected at around the 74.50 mark. A close above 109 was extremely bullish for targets of 112 to 140. This is aided by the geopolitical tensions in Syria, and any strike of US on Syria could further increase the prices on the international markets. Current support in the MCX is seen only at $70 to $80, and hence trades are a little bit dicey as markets are at fresh highs. Natural gas, the first month contract closed yesterday, could not move much. The second month contract of September natural gas on the MCX moved up sharply to hit the 239-240 mark. Current resistance is at 240 to 242, likely to be tested again, and support of 228. A break above 240 to 242 and a weak INR could support further higher on the higher side as far as MCX natural gas prices are concerned. Base metals, copper rose to fresh highs, life highs of 502.35 yesterday, closed at around the 494 mark. A break above 495 could retest the highs of 498.502 yesterday. International markets are trading higher by around 0.5% and expects a positive open in copper. Support is now seen at 488 only. On the positional basis, support is seen at 484 for buys. Fresh sells are not recommended at this level till the market consolidates at current levels. Nickel also traded positive, closed at around the 967 mark. Weekly support is seen at 950. So long as 950 is not violated, even a test of 980 to 990 to 1000 is not ruled out. Lead is most bullish, as we've been telling for the past 1 month. Hit a high of 150.20 yesterday on the MCX. Break above 150.2. The next resistance is at 152. 152 is a multi-year high on the MCX exchange. Close above that could see 156 to 160 levels. Weekly support is now seen at 145 levels only. Zinc also traded positive yesterday. A close above 130 could take it to 132 to 134, and support is now seen at 126 levels. Aluminium rallied higher along with all the other base metals. Wait and watch for aluminium for fresh levels. Please visit our website at www.akshayaship.com and our company at lotusadvisoryservices@yahoo.in for further updates and commentaries. Have a good trading day. Thank you.